Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I'm telling about the Mphasis onboarding news. There is a good news about the 23rd May next joining date. There is a information about the Mphasis company. Company have shared the mail about the 23rd May your joining mail. Some candidate received the repel mail in the recent last 1 week ago about that you have been shortlisted for the joining in a Pune location. So now that some of the candidate have received the date of joining on the 23rd May at the reporting time of 9 am. Also there is a mail regarding this information. So I hope guys you are subscribe my channel, I hope so, and like my channel also. Please watch the full video, don't skip the video, because if you skip the video you will not get the information what I am telling to about the Mphasis. There is a repel mail of a joining between the 10th May and the 23rd May. There is no another phases joining, I think so, because if any phases joining before the 23rd May, then the many candidates received the today or even yesterday also regarding the mail about the joining date. When will be the repel mail candidate receive the mail date of joining? कब when will be, कब हो सकती है कैंडिडेट की रिसीव मेल डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग की? आफ्टर 10th May there is a no mail received of joining. 10th May after that there is a regarding. We look forward to you joining us on 23rd May at 2023 at Pune. The reporting time is 9 am. Your endorse your acceptance by delay of signing the duplicate copy of this letter on all. So guys, this is the mail received by the candidate. Some of the candidates that will be having the joining on 23rd May at the Pune office. The reporting time is 9 am. So there is a information about the joining like that. Some candidate have received the information that there will be a joining of the offline, or having the like that they having the received the information about joining in the online manner also. So there is a information regarding this. I think so after the 10th May there is a no date like that 11th, like the previous month having the 11th, 12th and 13th on the continuous way of having the date of joining at the location of the Bangalore. But in this month May session there is only the 10th May joining, and after the 10th May there is a 23rd May joining. So there is a no date decided by the company or announced by the company between this gap. So I think so there will be only 2 or 3 batches will be on board in this month. So I hope guys you are trying to give the new opportunities, also trying many job opportunities. So I'm just advising you or something, I'm requesting you. So please guys, there is information that you will share about with me, and also in a comment section also. Please apply for the more opportunities, also the fresher opportunities. There is a many opportunity, many company has taking the fresher as a non-experienced candidate and non-core branch also. This is the main emphasis also, the having the seat at the bottom right corner, return to the undersigned by either mailing it or handing over to us the date of joining. So many candidates who received the repel mail in the last week ago, so I think so they will also get the joining like the 23rd May, most probably today or even after tomorrow also. Like that many candidates have received the shortlisted mail from the repel mail, just the continuous as a repel mail. So I think so you like the videos, you get the information what I'm trying. So you're the handling it over to is the date of joining. So guys, prepare all your document what the company want to in your documentation also. So I hope you will get the information from my side. If you get, I will get any information further update regarding the information of the onboarding or something like that, the news that will inform by from my side of the little bit also, then I will told you in my video through. So you can also subscribe my channel, I think so you will get the information recently time also about the Mphasis onboarding and joining also. Thank you guys for watching this video.